Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to reset your Telegram account. So first, make sure that you are logged in on the right account in your Telegram application. Click the Telegram app. And then as you can see here in the Telegram, there is a menu button on the top left corner of the screen. Click on that menu button. And then after clicking this, you will see the setting tabs here. Click the settings. And then I want you to scroll until you see the data and storage. Since we want to reset our Telegram data, click this data and storage. And then, as you can see here, there is a reset auto download setting, so don't click that, since this is just for download settings. Now scroll a little until you see this delete all cloud drafts. Click this, and then click the delete button. So once you click the delete button, it will delete all your existing data in the cloud inside your Telegram account. So if you have decided to reset your Telegram account, click the delete. And that's it. That's how you can reset your Telegram account. And thank you for listening.